In this video, I will show you how to create a wallpaper from Zedge. So just watch and follow this video till the end. You should click on Zedge first. And right now you should go and click on AI generator. So we will choose wallpaper and we can write an idea. For example, I will say YouTuber. No. Playing games. This is my idea and I want like anime and this and this and click create. And I will click try for free. And right now it's gathering aspiration and it's adding style right now. I will just wait. And this is my wallpaper I generated from Zedge. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another video.